Good morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and let me show you how to remove personalized ads from this device, how to get rid of them. So at first, locate and open the settings, then find and click on Google, mark all services, and here click on ads. Now locate Reset Advertising ID, just mark it, and if you truly want to reset it, click on confirm. So that's it. If you wish to fully delete advertising ID, just mark it, and as you can see, it will delete your current ID. App will still be able to provide you with some ads to show you them, but they may not be as relevant as they were before. So let me delete it, and that's it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.